Alright, so me and my friend just came back from a convention, checking out a new game called Divinity. If the cameraman wants to zoom in on that. Just bought some pre-constructed decks, pre-release, so we're gonna check it out. This is the Horus deck. It is based on mythology, Greek, Egyptian, stuff like that.
Yeah, like each one of these boxes is 3 different pantheons,
Yeah,
but 2 of them are overlapping.
yeah. We have
This one
both
has Greek, Norse,
Mesopotamian,
and Mesopotamian.
and we've got Egyptian, Canaanite. I don't even know what that is, but, and Mesopotamian. So, just gonna have a look through them. Haven't really looked into it very much, but we figured we'd check it out. So your obvious tokens, 5 damage. Oh, because it's a coin. Probably a rule book, I assume. And I think they said it came with a paper mat. Rules. Paper mat. I wonder if we get the same one, or so this one seems to
Yes,
have
we'll find
decided
out.
on it. So I'm gonna assume it's
Nice
the second.
tails token. That's tails. Nice.
So from what we've loosely heard,
4 players.
you have 3 deities, and your objectives are either having 3 walls in play, your opponent has no deities or walls, your opponent has to draw their last card, or no card, or if your opponent forfeits. I guess that's kind of obvious, but
Yeah, you can leave it up. I'll put it on this side.
okay. So this is just pre-constructed, so there's nothing, no guessing to it. It's just what we got. It's the card back. If you want to show the card backs.
Very nice.
It's kind of interesting to see all the different card backs for different games.
Yeah, so supposedly you build cities.
Yeah.
Basically the theme of it, and you want to build, summon out your deities.
Yeah, I think you need 3 deities before you start building, or something along those lines. So we'll just get a feel for the art and kind of the effects.
Yep.
I'm really bad at opening these.
You've got your little,
I know, I just don't want to damage the cards.
yeah, I'm
It's a pre-release set, man. Can't damage these. Even though I'm probably damaging right now. So we got Horus. I'm assuming that's the deity that I need. Bastet. Okay, that's an actual cat lady with a cat face but a human body. That's here, I'll show you one too. I have multiple copies of it. Okay, to play, attach face down when your opponent plays up. I don't know what that means. Reveal it. So it doesn't seem like anything has like, oh, okay, it does have attack. If segment is played after Bastet, discard Bastet and increase segments.
There's 3 attacks.
So it looks like she's kind of just there to buff someone else, be a sacrifice, dream catcher.
Like the, Dragon Ball style summoning.
Like chakra balls.
So we got
Yeah.
wall, we got a couple middle walls. I'm assuming this is like a magic card or something. And let's put it in here, I guess. To play a card, discard one of your deities. Your opponent cannot collect a trophy. Still don't know what that means, but probably give this game a play and figure it out. There's the left wall. Oh, it looks like the walls have HP, so maybe they can be attacked too. But only 1 HP, that seems like... Oh. Remember when I asked them why the walls are behind the deities instead of in front of them? Maybe that's why, because you use your deities to block, to make people not be able to touch your wall.
Yeah.
So it would be dumb to play like a left wall, but only have like a middle and right deity. So okay, that's kind of making sense. You attack. Seems weird when you attack with this card. Discard a card from your hand. 3 attack though. I guess that's pretty bad. Attached deals 1 less damage from attacks. Good. Those are right walls. I wonder if it's only 2 of each, or if they just happen to scatter. Or as long as the Shlin. So it's a pairing card. There it is. Oh, okay, that's cool. So they both get +2 attack from each other. Wine Liberation. Not a wine guy myself. Alright, I don't know what this is, but I love this.
What is it?
It's like a half bear, half crocodile, like, I don't even know, but it's cool.
Oh, what the heck? Alligator, bear, lion?
Yeah, some Anubis.
Crocodile.
head.
Oh, rhino? I don't know what that bottom half is.
Yeah, it's like elephant or rhino or
Yeah.
something. I don't
That was
know.
wild.
Okay.
That was actually
Catapult.
very cool.
Pot treasure.
Oh wow.
Discard 2 cards. 2 A cards.
The power of the dead.
Curse. Cancel all of the attached deities' abilities. Damn. Okay. Seems pretty good. Underworld. Oh. Firstborn Sacrifice. Alright. That's an interesting card.
Oh my gosh, that is weird. Ah,
Yeah, that's odd.
I don't like that.
Oh wow.
No, I don't like that card either. But it is a thing.
That's interesting.
It's a little off color, but whatever. It's based on mythology. They did
Yeah.
that shit.
Yes, they did.
More Horus.
Is it again?
No.
Is
I
it a
just-
frozen tongue?
I would. Oh shit, frozen tongue. Her name, I know this is like probably disrespectful, but look at her name.
Oh. He shot?
Aisha.
I shot. He shot. Goddess of fire.
Medusa's head.
That's actually a neat card. Looks like a firestorm.
Goddess of fire.
Oh, I like this. Mistress of Beer? Hell yeah.
Wait, what?
Mistress of Beer. There aren't a lot of duplicates of cards, so that's interesting. Like, there's a lot of different cards. Like, in other
Yeah.
games, you have multiple copies of multiple
Right.
cards. This has like 1 to 2 of each card.
That's pretty cool. So far. Very nice.
Alright. I think I just developed a new fetish.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. Obviously, but. Alright.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay.
So that is
Wow.
the Horus deck.
Yeah, let's check out the check out that other
Poseidon, right?
This is the Poseidon deck.
Hell yeah.
He's got a spear or a trident.
Does.
It's the only thing I know. Oh, it was in the water. I also know that. Oh, you can show them the sleeves.
Oh yeah, the sleeves are pretty cool.
Oh, whoa, damage counters. Whoa.
Which counters?
Oh, they're the same, yeah.
Yeah.
Play Matt.
Okay. The same one? Yeah.
Yeah. Same one. Same guidebook.
I would assume so. No, they made a totally different rule set for each deck. Alright, have fun opening that.
Oh.
I know, I was trying to find where to pull on the pull tab, but
There's a pull tab somewhere. Oh, okay.
I'm a beaver, so I just use my teeth.
Search for that tab, son.
Oh, it's here.
Alright, I think we need to take a brief intermission. Maybe you throw it. There you go.
Oh, you found it.
Got it.
Makes Cody look like a noob.
I am a noob, and I probably collected like 2 million times the cards he has.
Call it patience.
Yeah, I'm just.
Alright, so this is Poseidon, god of the sea.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Didn't know he was even one or had a dragon. That's crazy.
Poseidon attacks deal 1 more damage to deities.
Okay. So that's the holographic special version. Dreamcatcher again.
Catcher.
Yeah.
2 of those.
Wow, that's actually really cool, the reflectiveness of it.
So wall.
Oh man.
Wall card.
Too bad we couldn't show Christian the special cards that Soul Masters had.
Try to lean
Remember those?
just angle it a little bit that way.
Yeah,
This way?
I'm gonna look.
Like when you're like, just like that. Yeah, perfect.
Oh.
So then you get that good light.
Is this enough light?
Yeah, absolutely.
Anything super different?
Goddess of protection.
Dawn.
Oh, let me see that.
Angel card, looks like. Angel deity. From the
Lama.
Mesopotamian set.
Lama.
What are you saying?
The name.
The name.
Left
like
wall.
Left wall.
Left wall.
Honestly, I'm more of a right wall kind of guy.
Manny.
But
I call the middle wall.
Manny the
That's like-
moon god.
Manny the moon god.
Yeah.
let me see the other one. When you're done.
Oh man.
He's got 2
Oh,
pegged. Wait,
snap.
they're flying, but they don't have wings.
Yeah, there's horses.
Is that Nike, goddess of victory?
Oh my gosh.
Meerkat.
with 1 less K?
Her butt's not as good as the other ones, but
She's goddess of victory.
You mean her face?
yeah, you can see it.
God of agriculture.
Oh, that's my
Might have
favorite.
been in your set.
No, I don't think
Because
so.
he is the same pantheon.
Oh yeah.
So this is a Greek card, Queen of the Underworld.
Hell,
Actually, that looks really cool.
who is it?
Let me see that.
Persephone.
Persephone.
Persephone, really?
Persephone.
I don't know mythology very well.
Pharaoh's War.
Very nice card.
Yeah, that was in mine. That sounds like it should be an Egyptian card.
That looks really cool.
Right wall.
There we go. That's the best one.
Soul, the sun goddess.
Soul is a female? I did not know that. I thought it was a male. Let me see that card.
You want to shift your hat a little bit to the left? Just
Yeah.
a little bit?
So,
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Do you have to wear a hat? I mean,
It's fine.
It's fine.
We saw
yeah.
Soul.
this soul.
Just put on the Pharaoh's
Liberation.
hat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we had that one.
That was cool.
Apollo, the sun god.
Oh, nice.
There's only one
But
of
he's
them.
not on his chariot. Doesn't he have a chariot, Apollo?
Yeah.
Or I might be. Because you played a bit of Smite.
He's
so
barely
that
got
kind of
clothing.
Yes, Apollo had a chariot. That's
Yeah.
right.
Not that Smite is the one who knows the
Battering ram.
mythology. mythological stuff the best.
Oh, battering ram! No way!
Battering
Oh,
ram.
I had that in mind.
Jesus! Oh, fucking yeah!
Only OGs will remember battering ram.
I love the way that battering.
Braggy, god of poetry.
Oh.
Catapult.
Is that
No
Jesus?
way! Why are they not giving us a trebuchet? Come on, man! What the?
Inferior siege weapon right there.
Clay
Wait,
pot
wait,
treasure.
let's see this guy.
That was in mine as well.
Covenant.
Yeah, that's the curse card.
Holy crap! Is this code?
We have
Basically, if I looked
Arrest-
less ugly.
Arrest
Bard-like.
Rudolph, ruler of the underworld.
Oh yeah, I had this one. Mesopotamia.
And we have Fenrir.
Oh
Oh,
yeah,
Fenrir.
Fenrir. I
Fenrir.
want to see that.
Oh, we have a firstborn sacrifice.
Oh god, here we go again. I do like Fenrir. I do like the doggy.
Ooh.
Who would win in a fight, Cerberus or Fenrir?
God of thunder.
That's a stupid question. Probably Cerberus.
Can Cerberus breathe fire?
Cerberus have 3 heads.
Yeah.
Massive dog. How big is Fenrir?
Hades. God of
Fenrir is pretty
God of
pretty
the
big.
underworld. Hades.
Oh, Hades!
Yeah.
Hot dad.
This card's called Harem.
Why'd you leave the keys up on the
yeah.
table?
Deities that are neither female nor crown. Can I type? So the crown.
Yeah, it probably means something. Harem.
Hell. Queen.
There we
of
go.
the realm of the dead.
Okay, Realm of the Dead. How is that not the underworld? I don't know lore. I knew Hell would be in here though.
A hippocampus.
Oh.
Seahorse.
Like this one. Helen, Helga. Helen.
Ishtaron, god of justice.
What's the worst thing I can say?
You want to see the hippocampus?
Heck yeah, dude.
This guy's like half human, half snake. I guess
That's actually-
the male version of a Lamia. Or Lamia.
Loki,
Oh.
lord of trickery.
No, that's the one everyone wants to see,
Yeah.
right?
He looks kind of
Medusa's
weird.
head.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, everyone
I
wants to
had
see
one.
that.
Saw
For
that
Wait,
one.
let me see it. I didn't see that one.
That was in.
Yeah, but you didn't show me.
Well, you didn't request to be
Oh,
shown.
here's Mjolnir.
You only for Thor.
Yeah.
But do we have?
Hammer of thunder.
Have we gotten Thor yet?
No, we haven't.
So is Thor coming?
I don't know.
Oh,
Could
here's
be.
right.
Did you see Mjolnir?
I love the iconicness of everything. Yeah.
Well, it's all stuff you kind of have in the back of your mind because of.
Nakashi, mistress of
Yeah.
fear. Saw
Pop
that.
culture.
Odin, god of war.
Okay, there we
Yeah.
go. Another classic.
Pan, god of
Yeah.
wild nature.
Yeah, he's like a. Don't show me the card. Is he like a centaur?
Close. He's a satyr.
A satyr. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, satyr. Okay.
Pandora box.
Oh.
Yeah, I have that card too.
Another Poseidon.
It's not just a fawn.
Yeah,
or something.
it's just the.
Nice, nice.
It's a satyr. Yeah.
Scroll burning.
Scroll burning. Nice.
It's Fahrenheit 451.
Shamash, the sun god.
I've never even heard of. Oh, it's
Yeah, that's
Mesopotamian. That's why.
Old school.
We also have
Where's our Thor? Is this their Thor?
Thor, god
Oh,
of thunder.
real?
Out of Thunder.
About time.
Dude, this doesn't look
And-
like Disney's Marvel the Thor.
Last but not least, Triton.
Reminds me
Is
of
God of the
Gauntlet
Sea.
Legends.
Triton is from what?
Greek mythology? Am I right?
Okay, so what's
Could be
Poseidon?
Norse.
Poseidon is Greek.
Yeah, Triton was the son of Poseidon and Aphrodite. Aphrodite?
Aphrodite.
No, this is
What?
Amphitrite.
Oh, okay.
I can't even say it right. God.
Amphitrite. Amphitrite.
Yeah.
Amphi being like amphibian.
Oh, yeah.
So like water. Being able to be in the water.
Cool.
Nice.
Very awesome.
There we go.
What's that?
So, yeah. That was Divinity.
We'll probably have to play a game sometime.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah.
See how we like it. We haven't played yet, so
No.
we could totally hate it. Or it could be really good.
Yeah, it could be really fun.
Alright.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Cards.